Welcome back to Ride and Roar, where we explore the ever-evolving world of wheels. Today we are delving into the realm of compact sedans to reveal a car that's packed with value. Brace yourselves for the FAW Vita V5. Presenting the FAW Vita V5, a compact sedan that delivers big on functionality and affordability, without compromising on style. Launched as a part of FAW's mission to provide high-quality, affordable vehicles, the Vita V5 has been turning heads since it hit the road. Take a look at the Vita V5's exterior. Its sleek design, modern grille, and stylish headlights all combine to give it a unique and appealing look. Inside, you'll find a well-designed interior with plenty of room for passengers and cargo, making it perfect for everyday commutes or long drives. Under the hood lies a 1.5-liter engine that provides efficient power for all your driving needs. On the road, the Vita V5 shines with its responsive handling and smooth ride, making it a joy to drive, whether in city traffic or on the open highway. And when it comes to parking in tight spaces, the Vita V5's compact design comes into its own. So there you have it, the FAW Vita V5, a compact sedan that offers practicality, affordability, and style in a neat package. That's all for today's episode on Ride and Roar. If you enjoyed our trip with the Vita V5, make sure to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, keep riding, keep roaring.